it going?
Yep.
Okay, now point it at me. Billy Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to glue 3 fittings at the same time. Built a little bit of a manifold, and it's kind of hard to do it like this. Maybe not the best. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments if you like this fix or maybe if you would have done something different. Let me show you this piece. Built up this manifold here. What we're going to do is we're going to weld up all 3 of these pieces, and we're going to push it on real tight to our 3 pieces down there. So we've got our 3 pieces. There are 3 main lines that it broke. I'm trying to get it all back together. This is the setup that I have come up with. And then this is going to end up gluing on to right there. Here we go. Once you start doing this, you're going to have to work fast and be very precise of what you do because you don't have a whole lot of time. This particular glue doesn't set up quite as fast as some of the others, but you're still going to have to work pretty fast. We have this already set up. I know exactly what I'm going to do. And then the other thing I'm going to do, once we get it on there, I'll use my shovel then to hold it on. Okay, question is, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to use our primer down here on the pipe first, and then we'll do our fittings. Once you go, your primer, go over everything one more time. Now we'll start applying. What I like to do is put it on the pipe. Then you can still use it and put it on the fitting. One more. This is where you're gonna have to go fast. Here we go. Okay. Now, make sure it's all on there.
Woo! Dude, well, this is making me tired. I think I should set it down for this.
Now, usually what I'll do is I'll hold it for 30 seconds to at least a minute with that good amount of pressure on there and make sure those fittings are gonna get good and welded before I go take this shovel out and take the pressure off of it. There you have it. All glued back together. Now this was a little bit wider on this side than this side, so I actually marked it to make sure I had it turned right. And so put a little R for the right, have an L for the left side. Put it on there just like that. Kind of a creative way to do it. And so one of the things I like to stress is you can be creative when you're putting this stuff back together. Not overly creative where you're using way too many fittings, but sit there and look at it, analyze it, which sometimes I overanalyze, I understand that. But then try to come up with the best way to put this back together. So what do you guys think? You like this manifold, put all these pipes together? Or would you have done something a little different? Let me know in the comments below.